In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with a Google account for our class. So the first thing you need to do is create a Google account. So go to accounts.google.com and write your name and a password. Make sure you write this down in your planner so that you know what it is. It's going to ask you more questions like your phone number and your email address. And then it's going to send you a code that you need to enter in before you can begin. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to upload files to Google Drive after you have your account. So open up your Google account, click in the upper right hand corner where that little icon is, and go to Drive. This is where you're going to store all your files for the class. When you get into drive.google.com, click New, and you can either upload a folder or a file. We're going to do a folder. And you're going to name it Assignment 1 or Assign-1. So each assignment should have its own folder. And then you right click on the folder to open it. And you can now either drop the files in there, or you can go up to New and go to File Upload. Locate the files on your computer, and you can shift click to upload more than one. Press Open, and all your files will be on Drive. Now, to create your slide portfolio for all your assignments, go up to the Google icon at the top right where the apps are and choose Slides. You can skip the tour. And to start a slideshow, just click the blank button and it'll give you this slideshow to start. You can just close this theme tab on the right. You can mess with that later, but for now just leave it like this. So type your name in the top box, and below that just put the name of your class and the word portfolio. This is where you're going to put all your finished projects. Alright, to make a new slide, go in the upper left hand corner and click the plus. And you'll see it adds a new slide. In the top left, type Assignment 1 and then type the name of the project. And now I'm going to move this up a little bit to make space for my image. And then go to Insert, Image, and we're going to get our image from our Drive account. So click Drive. And then you see on the right hand side all of our Drive photos open up, and that folder that I just made with my pictures is in it. So I'm going to right click on a picture and it places it on my first slide. Alright, I'm going to make another slide for the next assignment. So you'll do this each time we have a new project due. You'll add a new slide and call it the next assignment and put the title of it. At the end of the year, you'll have a big slide presentation with all of your assignments. So we go to Drive again, right click on the photo, and then you can drag it by the corner to make it bigger so it fills up the page. Try to make it as big as possible. Alright, now you can see you have your slide presentation started and you have a couple of assignments in there and you should be ready to turn it in to me. So you have your slideshow, go to Share. Right now it's locked and private and nobody can see it. So what you need to do is title it. So I want you to put your name, portfolio, so I know whose it is. Press Save, and then go down here and change it to anyone with a link. That's very important, otherwise I won't be able to see your work. Alright, and then it's going to give you a link, and you want to copy that link. And that link, you're going to copy it and paste it to me in a form that I will give you. And that way I'll be able to click on your link and see your work. Alright, let's say the next day you come to class and you want to work on a file. All you need to do is go in your Google Drive, right click on one of the pictures, click the download icon, and it will download it back to your computer, and that way you can work on it in Photoshop or whatever program you're working on it and resave it back to Drive. Don't forget to write your username and password in your planner.